push. Right here. Good girl. Should we play catch? Whee! You want to throw it back to me? No, you want to put it... Oh, you missed. Here's the other one. You want to get the other one, Matilda? Look. Do you want to get the other one? Hey, Matilda, why don't you get that one? No. Do you want to push the button? Push there. Oop, almost. Almost. Push.